Today we are making another speed build. Tomorrow we're gonna have a glass painting video. It's gonna be longer than usual, and on Sunday we're having another episode of Challenger. Please go check those out because I would really appreciate it. But yeah, so we're gonna try to make our rooms in like real life. We have kitty plays, Nugget, and Kitty Cat. So. Alright, let me turn up my volume.
Could we pause this for a second?
What?
The video? I didn't do.
Okay, yeah, let me mute myself. Alright, well guys, I'm gonna start, okay? Alright, we're gonna start with my bed, actually. So my bed, let's do stylish. There we go. Trying to get this brick perfect. Making the bottom of my bed, because that's what it looks like. We wanted to do something artsy because I'm really trying to grow my channel. I know. I'm just putting bricks together. I might not be making my best version. So this yeah, it has to be your house. I know. Well, oh yeah, I forgot to set a timer for it. Alright, let me set the timer for our speed build. 20, guys, we got 20 minutes. I started now.
It's actually supposed to be.
No, the Adopt Me team didn't do theirs fast. Hi, Mama. Probably. Yeah, they can. Slowly putting in bricks everywhere. I'm using my futuristic home. This is my original home, guys. I don't want to buy it. No, I deleted all of the stuff from my hotel. There's no more hotel. I actually have a My Little Pony bedspread, and that white. So we're actually gonna make this all white because I'm gonna actually. There's not gonna be a winner in this, okay, guys? We're just gonna do this for fun. Funny. Sis, we don't have. No, we don't. Sis, why are you adding in a piano? We don't have a piano. We don't. I don't know why she's adding one in. Oh, well, we're making our rooms. This is not working, and I'm mad. Yeah, I have wood floors and then I have a little rug. I don't know. I know. This is not working. Thought this would work so far. Just move all of this out.
I have a lot of posters in my room, so I'm gonna put a poster.
OMG, same.
I don't have
I'm probably the richest one here. Yeah, I don't do school in my room. I messed this up. Neither is mine. I'll still have a good amount of money after this. Yep. Also, guys, they're coming out with new updates, so make sure you grind. My sister's gonna be mad at me because this is definitely not how big my room is in real. I mean, how big my one room is in real life, and two, how big my bed is. Exactly. It's not fair. I am doing terrible with this build. It's gotta go. Yeah. I didn't get any lunar oxes. Yeah. Oh wow. Ah! Just gonna adjust some bricks and then we done with the bed. Took us long enough. Alright, stuff. Next we're gonna be doing closet. So we're gonna go into bedroom. Storage. Let's see this. be speedy about it. Dude, we're doing our house in real life. Oh no, I can't color change. Yeah, there's no prize for this one, guys. Just saying. Simple shapes. Yeah, simple shapes. Simple shapes. Disc. Ooh, why is the disc that big? I don't want that big. So. Chopping board. Yeah, I'm gonna use brick again just to make my little clock here. No, did I just...
Okay, I'm gonna stop my recording and wait for you guys.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to make a clock. Alright, looking around my room, we need... Sure. We're looking for the wooden floors. $10? Yep. That looks like my
I'm
floor.
not joking. I just got it. You did? Tell me to show it to me. Show it to me. Show it to me.
Basic red. Yeah, that looks cute, right, guys? We need some posters now. New Fissy. I'm gonna put one right above my bed. And I have one right down on my floor right now. Just kind of chilling there. So I know it's weird to have posters on your floor, but like it's. I'm sorry, okay? of any of these tables. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with stylish then. Alright, so I have a window over there, so let's get some little hearts though. Little hearts. I do have butterflies all over my wall. So. We need definitely some books though. Ooh, sweet, more money. String. Let's see, where other places do I have? Alright, we need to. Guys, our timer is up for our speed build, our 20 minutes. I'm not very proud of this. It doesn't have much detail. But first, there's gonna be no winner for this. But let's go check out some of our houses. Yeah, well. Oh no! Nugget, hi. Alright, Kate, please bring us to your house. And then we can check out. Oh, are we riding stuff? Okay, is it okay if it's flyable? Because I don't have any rideable pets. Only flyable. Oh yeah, you said you were using E-State. Oh, Sammy! Gosh, Sammy. We're just doing that one room. OMG, you did so good! Oh my god! Oh, I didn't. That looks so good! Oh my gosh! I should have added a mirror, but I didn't have time because I worked on my bed for so long. Nice. Alright, well let's go check out. Can we check out my house? Whose? I think Kitty Place's house looks like her real one. Oh, I see you, Nugget. You're flying your king bee. Oh, we were gonna do my house next. Guys, teleport to me. Yeah, alright, let's go in here. Follow me, guys. I actually made another room. Okay, this is my room. I have my string box up here. I don't have a heart up there in real life, but there's my bed with my little. Oh, I should have added bricks that were like pink and stuff. That would have been good. My desk, it's a tablecloth. Yeah, taking too long. This took so long. I'm just gonna say that. That's why this room isn't full of detail. This took just too long. But yeah, I did get a we actually just got it done. This is my carpet. Ooh, let me add a book. Hold on, I need a book. I mean, it just doesn't feel neat, you know? Alright, see, that book is Spider one, so we're gonna add it like pink. So it's kind of pink. Alright, let's go check out, how about kitties?
Yeah, check out the kitties,
Guys, my timer went off, so let's just finish this home tour, and then we're gonna be done for the day.
No, what about nuggets?
Yeah, we're going to, but we gotta just, finish the house tours. Where is Kitty Place's house? I mean, bro, she left Kitty Queen left the server. Let's just go do Nugget's house quickly. Alright, Nugget, you're gonna be the last one that we show.
Oh, you use the tree house. This doesn't actually look like her house in real life, but...
Yeah, the outside doesn't, but I bet the room should.
Nice, nice. Oh, this actually does look like your house. We're friends and neighbors, guys. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Isn't your wallpaper green though?
Guys, I'm just gonna guys, look how Sammy sleeps. It is so cute. Oh my god.
Carpeted floors.
Sammy, you are the cutest baby ever. I love you, Sammy. Sammy is the pet that, you know how YouTubers sometimes just like fly around with pets? That is the total pet that Sammy is.
My top pet.
Well, guys, that's all for today. Thank you, though.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.
Yeah, I'm gonna add the first episode of Challenger at the end. Bye. Yeah, I'm adding the first episode of Challenger.
Bye, kitty.